Our espresso machines are one of the most important pieces of equipment we have in our cafes and should be cleaned regularly and thoroughly to maintain the life of the machine. In addition to standard cleaning practices such as washing the tray and espresso pitchers, there are several different cleaning tasks that should be performed regularly to ensure that the machine is sanitary and safe for continuous use. Backflushing the espresso machine is a task that should be completed daily. This should be done before close and needs to be performed on each of the group heads on the machine. Start by removing the metal filter from one of the portafilters and replace it with a blank or blind filter. Add 1 teaspoon of enzyme-based cleaning powder to the blind filter and place it back into the group. The espresso machine cleaning tool that our barista is using has a small scoop on the bottom which can be used to accurately measure the precise amount of powder that should be used. Press the continuous flow button on the corresponding group and let the water run for 5 to 10 seconds. To stop the flow of water, just press the button again. Repeat this process 5 times. Next, remove and rinse the portafilter clean before repeating the entire process again, but without the powder. When this is complete, remove the portafilter completely and run the continuous flow cycle for 5 to 10 seconds to completely flush out the group. Using the espresso machine cleaning tool, brush the screen inside the group to remove any remaining coffee residue. Replace the blind filters with the correct filters and place the portafilter back into the group. You will need to repeat this process for each of the group heads on the espresso machine. Do not turn the machine off after the back flushing cycles have been completed. The steam wands on the espresso machine should also be deep cleaned regularly. To deep clean the manual steam wands, first remove the tip by unscrewing in a counterclockwise motion. These tips should be checked several times throughout the day to ensure the holes are clear. In addition, they should be soaked in hot water with dissolved enzyme-based cleaning powder daily. Use the pipe cleaner to clean inside the tubing before reassembling the steam wand. Dissolve a small amount of enzyme-based cleaning powder into warm water to thoroughly clean inside the steam wands. Follow correct steaming procedure by submerging the tip of the steam wand into the water before turning it on and allowing steam to flow. Steam this water for 3 to 5 seconds on each steam wand. To rinse, follow the same steaming procedure with clean water. Don't forget to finish the process by purging the steam wands with a quick pulse of steam.